So continuing on with an example from the last video, here we have two fractions which we used before with 4/7, 5/7. Here, look at the denominator. The denominators are the same. The denominators tell you how many slices you're going to divide the pizza up into, okay? So here, for both of these pies that are representing these fractions, there are 7 slices. And pretend that these are all equal slices. I did the best I could. So the denominator is telling you how many slices you're going to slice the pizza into. Okay, that's the denominator. That's what the denominator does. It tells you how many slices, equal slices, you're going to make the pizza into. It's the numerator that tells you how many slices you want to choose. So how many slices you want to eat, for instance. So here, we're choosing 4 of these 7 slices. Now, when you slice a pizza into 7 pieces, okay, each one of those pieces is going to be equal, and it's going to have a certain size to it, okay? And so you want to pick 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But here we're picking 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do you see that here we're picking out more slices than over here? And since each slice, this is really important, is going to be the same exact size between the two pizzas because both pizzas were split into 7 pieces, okay? If you pick 5 of those 7 pieces, that's going to be more than 4 of those 7 pieces. So this denominator, the denominator tells you basically how large or small the slices are going to be. Because if you had a, let's say that instead of 7, let's say that we had 14 slices. So let's say we had 7 people at a party, and then we had, we invited 7 more. We doubled the amount of people that were at the party, okay? So if we had the same amount, if we had the same pizza, and we're gonna treat everyone equally here, if we had the same pizza and we got 7 more people, we doubled the amount of people, that means that each person at the party is only going to be able to get half as much as they would otherwise. Because now we're sharing the pizza not among 7 people, but among 14. So that means to be fair to everyone, you're going to have to cut everyone's slice in half. So now, if I counted all these up, there would be 14 slices, and so each slice would be smaller. So here's the point. When the denominator gets bigger, it means that you take the same pizza, but you divide it into more slices, so each of the slices are going to be smaller, okay? So they're going to be smaller. So when, it's a sort of counterintuitive, but when the denominator goes up, the size of the slices go down, okay? So that's a big concept, so I'm going to let you sort of let that digest, and in the next video, we'll put that into more use. Okay? Thanks.